X Designer design an interactive user experience for web and mobile app using a single app. You can design a quick and simple design on artboard in Adobe XD, then wire the artboard together to create an interactive prototyping that you can share and interact with the sky holders. You can also plugins to automatic repeated operation or parts of designer workflow that are tedious, complex or repetitive. Adobe XD integrate well with Photoshop, Illustrator and After Effects. You can continue design in your preferred application, bring the assist into XD and then use XD to create and share prototyping. XD support SVG and bitmaps file without any loss of fidelity. You can then enhance the assets further in Adobe XD or use them into developer interactive prototyping. Create design layout elements, add artboards and import a resource from other applications such as Adobe Illustrator, Adobe Photoshop and Adobe After Effects. You can also use plugins to automate repeated operation or parts of designer workflow that are tedious, complex or repetitive. Prototyping is the one of the best options given in the Adobe XD. Select object or artboard in your design and create interactive between artboard. Share one of your project ready to be a review. You can share prototype or design space or export in the project asset with the sky holder. Before you modify an object distribution, if your object around the you do by selecting click selection tool, rasterize, vectorize. Okay, so this is one of my project in Adobe XD. I created this is a home page, welcome screen, registration page, login screen, welcome to screen, and also design me and prototyping me. So let's beginning with Adobe XD. One of the first option we are create a new file. Select your device size, what kind of device you are using to design a UI UX process. Select, then Adobe XD is ready to use now. This is a first tool, select tool, shortcut key is a V. Just click it and select before you modify an object, disturbing it from the object around it. You do so by selecting the object. Once you have selected an object or a part of an object, you can edit it as required. Click the selection tool, and when the cursor change to a pointer, click the object or an object group. To select multiple objects, draw a marquee around an object using the selection tool or a shift click the object. Okay, first we are creating an object, then select the object, just simple click an object, then change the color, then select an object, create another object. If you are selecting two objects and at a time, simple press a shift or a click and drag, draw a marquee around two objects. Then you can select two objects at one time. Okay, to select a layer in a group, double click or a command click make or alter click window on the object. Repeat the keyboard shortcut to select the layer beneath the selected object in J order. When you reach the base object, use the shortcut to negative to the topmost object and thus resetting the selection cycle. If you select a group, then alter click to window and command click to Mac. If you are create a group, then you can create this kind of thing. Okay, next step is the resize the object. How can we resize our object? So select the object or the object group and drag it circular handle in object group. You see the circular handle around the bounding box of the group. Drag this handle to resize the object for the object group. Drag this handle to resize the object. Okay. The next step is to look the aspect ratio of object with resize. Click the lock icon in the property inspector. You do the ratio between the width and height of the object is a region and resize the object. So just select and simple go to property, then selecting the ratio. If you are lock this, then object will lock the aspect ratio of object while resizing. Click the lock icon in the property inspector. When you do so, the ratio between width and height of the object is a region and the resizable object. This is a fixed, this is a locked ratio. Okay. Next step is a rotate object. How can we rotate our object? So select the object or the object group, hover the circular handle and move the cursor silently of the outside of the box. Outside for the handle to see the rotation cursor icon. When you see the rotation cursor, drag handle desired direction to rotate. In object group, you can see circular handle, the bounding box. Okay. 2 object or 3 object or a simple shape to create a compound shape and object. Select the shape that you want to combine and use one of the following options in the property inspector. Add to shape your area. Just select one object, then create another object. Add the area of the compound to underlay geometry. Add to selection. This is first option we are seeing the picture is add to shape area. Just add one and another object to one shape area. Add the area of the compound to the underlying geometry. Second is the subtract from shape area. The second option is a subtraction. Subtract from shape area. Cut out the area of the compound from the underlying geometry. The third is a intersect shape area. Use the area of the component to clip the underlying geometry as a mask would, excluding overlapping shaping area. The last is the exclude overlapping shape area. Use the area of the component to invert the underlying geometry, turning filled region into hole and vice area. The first practice, select one object, just click and drag, then go to property, then select the first option, add. Simple shortcut is a control alter U. Simple click it this option and you can add to shape area, then control Z to undo it. The second option is a subtract from shape area. Shortcut is a alter control S. Just click, cuts out the area of the compound from the underlying geometry. Just control Z. Third option is the intersect shape area. Use the area of the compound to clip the underlying geometry as a mask would. Simple click, and this is a simple intersect shape area. The last, exclude overlapping shape area. The last option is exclude overlapping shape area. The shortcut is a Ctrl Alt X. Use the area the compound to invert the underlying geometry, turning filled region into walls and vice area. Simple click. That is simple. Just fill it. Now you can see it. What we can result given as Adobe XD. The next topic is a mask an object. The next topic is on mask an object. Hide proportion of your assets or a shape to draw focus on intersecting element in the design. Masks are non-destructive, which means the mask area is not deleted from your project. You can adjust the mask again if you require. Adjust the mask again and again. The area is not deleted, not cropped, the located. This is called mask. You can drag your image or object or a drawing, proportionally highlight another proportion. You can adjust the mask again if required. Do highlight another proportion of the image or drawing. You can use mask to hide proportion of image and vector object in a scenario where one vector object needs to be masked with another. The top object the top object in the stack act as a mask. The simple draw a shape that you want to use as the mask and place it on the proportion of the image or a drawing you want to ration. The proportion of the image or drawing that is outside the shape will be masked. Just see in the image. Now we are done in the practical. Now just unmask this object, ungrouping mask. Just simple first one of the image, then second is our object. Select both the click and drag, then right click and make a shape with the mask with the shape. The shortcut is a Shift and Control M. This is the shortcut, Shift Control and N. Okay, if you are release mask, then right click in ungrouping mask or a shortcut Shift Control G. Select the image and then the mask. On Mac, use the selection tool, Shift click or marquee selection. On the window, use the selection tool, Control click to select and mask. Okay, on mask, select object, window, okay, release an object, edit or object. Keyboard shortcut is on Mac is Shift Control G, on Windows Shift Control Z, Shift Control and G to release and create, Shift Control M. Okay, so today we are learning two parts in XD, one of the Boolean section and one of the masking section. Then next lesson we are learn grouping, lock the object, duplicate the object and copy object, move and align, distribute and arrange an object. Okay, thank you for watching. We will meet in next video.